All right.
I wrote this poem during a pretty tough time in my life. And I just want you guys to try to put yourself in my position. We talked about it. Then it came into fruition. Relaxed in a nightmare. I could tell you about it. 13 years later, here I stand. I'm facing what I'm facing. I'm facing the countless faces of reality without the drug-induced delusion of comfort. My anxiety is high in the high skies, compounded by the desensitization of violence. Lately, my energy's been lacking consistency within social interactions. Side effects from, I got side effects. Side effects from wiping my mother's tears from the penitentiary. 13 years later, I'm not the same person she remembers me to be. 13 years later, I'm not the same person I remember. Too many Decembers in captivity got my heart in the freezer. 13 years later, I'm looking for beauty. But in the horrific landscape, my path clearly littered by active landmines. I'm shell-shocked, the epitome of a dangerous mind. My patience thin as Michelle Pfeiffer. This ain't no gangster's paradise. This is virtually a no man's land where your every second is vital. I'm content within the loud silence of my imperfections. I was trying to heal from the trauma. The cold showers wasn't helping. I was trying to heal from the trauma. The cold showers wasn't helping. I'm showing up with discarded diamonds. I'm showing out with American pharaohs. Fatal connections built on substance. 13 years later, I think I'm seeing ghosts. But that's just my youth, haunted by a blind belief in you. Husband, father, high school graduation of thought. My perception shifted toward the elements above. I'm so below a livable temperature, my method of survival questioned. My principles interrogated. Guantanamo, basing your information on me off what you heard. It only added up to hearsay. 13 years later, reality stranger than fiction, but I'm stronger than ever. You wouldn't recognize it because you ain't kept in touch. I'm disgusted by your lack of effort. My whereabouts was always public information. That means never in question. I'm just being frank with you. We still brothers. 13 years later, birthing you three, the poet under harsh conditions. 13 years later, I'm 9 years late with the fresh flowers for your gravestone. I'm disappointed I disappointed you. And it's crazy because your opinion is one of the only that ever mattered to me. I miss you, Papa, 13 years later.
Woo!